Hey guys, hope your Navratri preparation are going well. So this is my second video regarding Navratri. I have put 6 different Indo-Western looks so that you can enjoy your Navratri festival and look amazing in all the outfits. So just check them out. These are very simple. So first we have a little twist with a kurti. Yes, everyone is a kurti lover and a girl is more comfortable in a kurti. I think so because I personally love them. So you can just give a Indo-Western twist to your kurti, like adding some kind of belt and putting some kind of stole over it and just add some ethnic jewelry to it and you are ready to rock the party. So this is the first look, a twist with a kurti. Second comes matching Indo-Western jackets and pant. If you are a jacket lover or a pant lover and you want to wear the same during Navratri, then this look is for you. Just take a matching blouse or a matching crop top with it and add to it a jacket and a pant. Here is just an example. There are so many different kind of example over net. Otherwise, you can add your own taste to it. Just add the ethnic necklace or a earring and you are ready to it. Third look is for the sari lovers. I think women look more beautiful in traditional wear, that is sari. Sari is the most beautiful wear a woman can have. So just add a bit innovation to your sari and you can wear your favorite sari in this Navratri festival. See the amazing look it will give you. Just add a ethnic nose ring to it and you are ready to rock the party. So for the off shoulder lovers, I am the off shoulder lover. I love to wear off shoulder tops. So this is one for you. You can have any of your off shoulder top with a lehenga or with a ghagra, or you can make a combination of them as well. So just add some like ethnic jewelry, or you can have anklets, a choker necklace, and you are ready. Fifth look is for those who are bored wearing lehengas and ghagras during the Navratri. So don't you worry guys, this look is just for you, a comfortable and so easy. Add a crop top with dhoti pants or the patiala sarwars or the harem pants and enjoy your Navratri festival. You can do garba very easily because this is so comfortable guys. This is very comfortable. So we have the last look, that is the sixth look. Navratri look is incomplete without this. Yes, it is the chaniya choli or the ghagra choli. Everyone knows it. This is the simple and the common look in Navratri season. So guys, these were the few look for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get the notification about my videos.